Spatchcock, and today we are going to spatchcock a chicken, and then I'm gonna season it, inject it, and then put it out on my brand new Traeger grill that my wonderful husband just bought me. Honey, I love you. You are the love of my life. Anyway, first things first. It's going to be 110 degrees here in Arizona, so we're not going to do wine today. We're going to do a more refreshing drink. A little bit of Malibu rum and some lemonade. It's great for around the pool. Second, that's why I've got my swimsuit on, because I am going to be swimming today because it is going to be so hot. Third, quarantine hair is real, y'all. So that's why I am sporting the hat. So now let's get to how to spatchcock this chicken, how to season it up, and how to grill it. Okay, so first things first, you want to make sure that you have a good pair of kitchen shears. If you don't have these, please don't try to cut this with a knife because I think it will be way too dangerous. Then you might want to ask your butcher to do this for you. So basically what a spatchcock chicken is that you're cutting out the back of the chicken. I've already done half of it. So now what you want to do is flip it around and make sure that you're so careful that you don't cut yourself. But you're just going to cut along, and you'll hear a lot of grinding and stuff like that, which sounds kind of gross. But you cut along. It's going to be kind of difficult because you're cutting through bone. Now, the other thing that you want to do is, I don't know if you can see this, but there's some cartilage that's right in here. And you want to just take your scissors and cut it so that it'll lay flat. Just like that. You hear it snap, and you pop it open like that. So now you can lay your chicken flat, press it down with your hand until you hear a nice little snap. And now you have spatchcocked your chicken. So I went to the store, of course, and y'all know how I like to collect seasonings, and I'm using some of this John Henry Big Daddy Smokehouse Rub. I'm also going to inject it with one. I just love Zatarain's. You can't really get better flavor from their products. I just love them to death. I'm going to inject it with this. Sprinkle a little salt, just a little kosher salt on there, because you're going to get most of the flavor from these two. And then because I like things spicy, I'll just sprinkle just a little bit of cayenne pepper on there. My mother told me a long time ago, God rest her soul, she passed away in 2010, but she left a lot of priceless cooking secrets with me. One of the things she always liked to do was always to rub fresh lemon on her chicken. So we'll do that, and we'll do it on both sides. And then I like to, of course, have my seasoning to adhere to things, so we're going to use our olive oil. And of course, you can order this olive oil online. This is from my daughter-in-law's family back in Crete, Greece. We went out there to visit them, and they have an olive grove, and they make their own olive oil in Crete. And Crete has a very unique soil, so it's very, it's really, really good. This is like liquid gold. So you just want to put a little bit on it, turn it back over, put some olive oil on there, massage it on in, get the wings. So now let's flip it over, and I'm gonna season this side. Season this side first, because then when I flip it over, it won't mess up and it'll still look nice and pretty. So you want to be pretty generous with the seasoning. Then let's sprinkle just a little bit, not much, but I just like a little heat. So just a little bit of cayenne pepper. On this side, let's go on and get this pretty heavily seasoned up. And then we're going to inject it. So you want to make sure, obviously, and you can get this at the store, or you can also order it off of Amazon. I order everything off of Amazon. But basically, it's, you get your injector, you're gonna fill it up, and now let's inject it, I would say like maybe about 3 or 4 times. Put it here in the leg, You want to plump this puppy up. I lied, I said 2 of each, but let's do 3 in the breast because the breast is, you know, sometimes so dry and it's hard to cook. But by doing this with the spatchcock chicken, it allows for more even cooking. So I'm gonna pump this up, continue to pump it up, and I'm gonna sprinkle a little salt on here. Okay, y'all, we're all seasoned up. Got my chicken, got my drink. Let's head out to the grill. Got my grill that is now preheated. So it's time to put the chicken on. So you want to also make sure that you have a thermometer. I have a thermometer. I have a built-in probe with this grill, with my Traeger grill. And I'm gonna go on and hook it up because you wanna make sure that your bird cooks to 165 degrees. I'm smoking it at 215 degrees. And once the chicken gets up to 165 degrees internally, it's done. I don't know how long that'll take. I'm thinking a couple of hours, but we'll see. And I will show you the finished product. Meanwhile, I'm about to go get in the water. Hey, babe, what's the internal temperature?
127.
But let's take a look and see the juices. Oh, yeah, you see that? I cut it up. This side I did better. Papa be proud. Lots of juiciness. That skin is like, oh, it's nice and crispy. I can't wait to I can't wait to dig in. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this afternoon for Cooking with Sylv Mac. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to my cooking channel, Cooking with Sylv Mac. Until next time, this is for you, Tiziana. Ciao, Bella.